Colorado. Bought a set of these OEDRO running boards. These are for the crew cab. This set of running boards is supposed to look like the OEM set. Sorry for the glare. So it's supposed to replicate the OEM set, 4 inches wide. So I believe the OEMs are 5. I kind of like the 4-inch ones just because they're a little bit lower profile. They don't stick out as much, but otherwise should be good to go. Well packaged, so they slip a little bit of styrofoam all around. The boards don't look bent, and the hardware came in a separate box too, so the hardware doesn't go flying around. And I get these 2 cards. This one's just like kind of a thank you card, and this is the, so you have these, this is aluminum, powder coated aluminum, and this is just a nice hard plastic step with the OEDRO logo molded into it. So really nice. It feels alright. I mean, it is capped on the ends. It is aluminum, so hopefully it doesn't rust out. Caps are held in with screws, so that's another nice part, so these caps won't come flying off. Hard plastic caps also. And riv nuts to hold everything to the brackets. So hopefully these things don't go spinning on me and these things are actually secured properly. So that's a look at the steps. 4 inches wide right there. So nice big bag of hardware. Looks like you got your speed nuts, your bolts, your washers, and these plastic rivets. I don't know what everything's for yet, but we will soon find out. You have all these plastic covers. So these plastic covers are for the brackets. They're like beauty covers to cover over these brackets, and these are the brackets. Also powder coated black. It's a wrinkle black finish if you can't tell. And well, they're not the most beautiful brackets, I will say that, because you can see there's some marking on this one right here. Looking close up, it is not, it could be wear from all these brackets rubbing against each other, because they didn't bubble wrap anything. They just put stuff in poly bags. So it does look like wear, but it also could be like bad powder coating quality. Obviously they're churning these things out from China, so they're going quick, and one piece like this might get missed in QC. But otherwise the brackets look fine. Let's take one out to inspect. It's either stamped or just bent individually. Alright, so we're going to skip to a voiceover now, and we are going to get the install of the running board started. To get the first things out of the way, the frame is really close to the body of the truck, so you might not see everything that clearly, but we're going to work with it anyway. So, first thing you want to do is get these body plugs out of the way so you can install your speed plugs. The body plug, or the speed nuts, go through the plug, and then the bolts pull through that hole. So you have one right here before the body mount, another one, you don't use this one, and then the last one is right here. Here, bolt 2, not like this, because I was an idiot and I accidentally put it in the wrong way. So, gotta pull this one out. And then smaller washers to hold the running board to the bracket, and the larger washer to hold the bracket to the body. So, there you go. I'm setting them up for the larger washers to go on the bracket. product. Driver's side all done. And passenger side is all done. I did hit everything with a nice liberal coating of fluid film. Show you from the back, just to make it easy. But yeah, so there you go. These are the OEDRO steps. And a final shot of me just getting into the cab. So, fits my feet really nicely. In, out. Yep. So, there you go. The OEDRO steps. So, thanks for watching.